Hey everyone, what is happening? Well, today we're going to be building on our solving equations, and now what we're going to do is we're going to be getting into something called inequalities. All right, now inequalities bring in new signs to represent situations that have a range of answers. That's the key. There's a range of answers. So four more new signs that we have a less than sign, a greater than sign, a less than or equal to sign, and also a greater than or equal to sign. Now let's think of some situations here that we have that use inequalities. Well, entrants must be 18 years or older, so the age must be greater than or equal to 18. So that would be your age. You can go somewhere if your age is greater than or equal to 18. So that includes 18-year-olds. Next, temperature has been below -5 all week. So we have our temperature, and it's been less than -5 all week. Not less than or equal to, it's been below, so it doesn't include -5. Next, we've got you must have 10 items or less. Now, we've all been to Superstore or Safeway or Walmart, the quick express line, so 10 items or less. So we've got items, and it has to be less than or equal to 10. We can't have 11. We can have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, all the way down, and that's a range of items. Next, there are more than 2,500 library books, and we've got more than 2,500. So we're greater than 2,500. So that doesn't include 2,500. Any number above 2,500 flat would be included in the number of books. So it could be 2,501, 10 million. All right. So we've looked at less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Now there's a few things that we're going to talk about. How do we draw these on a number line? Well, we've got an open dot, and we've all got a closed dot. So what I'd like you to do is at the very top here, now what we're going to do is we've got a less than sign is an open dot on a number line. A greater than sign is also an open dot. Because they're open because they don't include the number that we're actually talking about. Less than or equal to or greater than or equal to have a closed dot. Because they include the number that we're talking about. Just like this example right here. Age is greater than or equal to 18. It includes 18. So this number line says, are any number greater than -5? So we've got any number, so we'll just call it x, is greater than -5. Now, it doesn't include -5. It's any number greater than. So that could be -4.999999 would also be included in that. Next, we've got a closed dot. So that means we're going to use less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. And this says, let's use t, for example. T is less than or equal to -2. So it includes -2 and any number down the number line. Next, we've got a closed dot again, so we're going to have a greater than or a less than or equal to, and it says x is going to be greater than or equal to 0.5. So any of these numbers right over here could be x. So let's draw this on a number line. 0, and this says x is greater than or equal to +3. So greater than or equal to has a closed dot, and it says it's greater than or equal to, so it's all the numbers that way. Next, we've got another line. And it says x is less than -2. So we have an open dot because it's a less than. We put it on -2. And if x is less than -2, well, that goes that way. and it's an open dot. All right, we're going to finish the rest of this in class. Bring this completed. Have a good rest of the day.